It's Bonnie. Happy Friday. I've got so much going on for you guys today, including the Jeffree Star Valentine's Day Deluxe Box. Oh my gosh, I'll be doing a collab with Clean Living with Jen later on Bath & Body Works, and I am burning the chocolate marshmallow cloud, which smells amazing for Bath & Body Works. But we're talking Jeffree Star mystery box here. I'm a sucker for mystery boxes, and I know there's like a lot of drama with Jeffree Star, and you know, I'm probably on the older age of Jeffree Star fans, but you know what? That's okay. I'm fascinated by him from a marketing and product point of view because he's doing what so many other cosmetic companies have been failing to do. He is selling so much product, and he's creating new and amazing products literally like on a monthly basis. So this past summer I got the $20 Jeffree Star mystery box, and I was totally disappointed, and it was like my fault because never buy the $20 box. And I give Jeffree credit because he didn't offer the $20 box this time. So over the summer I got 2 lippies, which I hated the colors of, and a pop socket, and I was like, oh. But you know what? And I paid shipping, so it was like 30 bucks. So my advice to anyone getting a box is that if he offers a $20 box again, it's really tiny, you're not going to get much. If you want a makeup product or a nicer item, go for the more expensive boxes. I got the $100 one, and it was free shipping because it was over $100. He did offer a $60 box and a $145 box, and I did some snooping on Instagram, and the $60 box was actually really good. They got the Alien palette, I believe, which is like, yay, a palette. So that was awesome. I did snoop into this box on Instagram a little bit, and I think I'm going to be really happy with what's in here. We're going to start opening the box. Number one, hello, look at the box. This is awesome. It's actually a really like nice, sturdy box here. I didn't get any special, a lot of people got special tissue paper with the Jeffree Star logo on it. I don't think I got the special tissue paper, but that's okay. I get nice red tissue paper. I'm not complaining about that. It's funny because like I said, I'm so fascinated by Jeffree Star and his success in the cosmetics industry. I mean, his conspiracy palette sold out in what, like an hour? These mystery boxes sold out in like 10 minutes. Whatever he's doing right. I remember, you know, being 50 years old, my gosh, you know, in the 80s, we didn't have any makeup choices. We basically had to go to like a department store and get Clinique or Estee Lauder, or we went to a drugstore and we got Revlon or Maybelline. We didn't have Jeffree Star and Tarte and all these cool companies. So, first thing we got, check it out. Am I too old to wear a Jeffree Star hat? I don't know if I'm too old for this or not, but this is what I wanted to see. The quality of his stuff, I'll have to say, in this box, I'm looking, this is a really good quality hat. It's not cheap, and I'm assuming if like he offered cheap stuff, people would not be buying it in droves. So I do give him a lot of credit for creating quality products. You can tell this is well made. It's got a, it's not just like a sticker, you know, like something gross. It's actually embroidered on. So we have the Jeffree Star hat. Okay, it fits. I don't know if I would wear a hat. You know what? I actually like these hats on the beach when I'm doing beach glassing, so I would probably wear it there. I like the pink too. So actually a really good quality hat here. We also got a t-shirt. I didn't know what size to get. I got large because I like my t-shirts a little bit on the larger side. I'm not sure if I would wear this t-shirt or not. Let me see what the size is like. It actually looks like, you know what I like about this t-shirt, you guys? Holy cow, it's long. So I am 5'11", okay? I am tall. I'm gonna stand up for a second just to show you guys. Check it out. I hate when companies give you like these short little t-shirts. The back, classic Jeffree Star. Can't relate, gagging, how are you? Jeffree Star approved. Jeffree Star logo on the front. But again, it's a nice quality t-shirt. It's like a nice cotton. So we got 2 clothing items in the deluxe box. Next up, check it out. I'm so excited for this. Oh my gosh, I've been wanting to try a Jeffree Star palette for forever. And a lot of people were complaining on Instagram that he put the mini jawbreaker in here, but because I don't have one, I'm like, yay! Cute little, he does wrap it very good. I mean, everything in here is wrapped very nicely. It's pretty. Check this one out. So this one is, let's see. I'm just trying to see what it says on here. It's made in the USA. I do like that his shadows are made in the USA. That's a good thing. Check it out. Look at this. Mini breaker. Feels like a quality palette. Like I said, I haven't had a palette of his before. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous, you guys. Check this out. Look at this. I've never seen, like I said, a Jeffree Star palette in person. That's why I wanted to get this, because I would like to get one of his bigger palettes, but I don't want to get blue blood because I don't wear blue eyeshadow. I would love it if he did a purple palette, but I'm so thrilled with the colors in this one. I'm just going to swatch one of these. Oh, wow. This is called Purple Punch. Okay, people weren't lying about this. These have a heck of a lot of pigment in them. So it's really cool. I'm totally excited to try out his eyeshadow. Gorgeous, gorgeous palette. I'm excited about this. So right now, I feel like I got my money's worth for my $100 box, because I got a palette and 2 clothing items. Check this out. Beautifully wrapped. Let me see what's in here. I have so much cool tissue paper, you guys. Check this out. I think there were 2 different of the Skin Frost palettes, the 24 karat, and I think a lot of people got like a silver one. I'm super thrilled to have this. This is also, it feels quality. I'll have to say, this feels like a higher end like makeup case here. 24 karat Skin Frost Pro palette. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is gorgeous. Of course, we get the plastic on top here, which is always, look how gorgeous these are. These are a little bit darker. However, I think I could wear Legendary as a blush, and I'm thinking I could probably wear some of these like as an eyeshadow. This King Tut is really pretty. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Okay, I see the hype, you guys. This stuff is actually really good quality. Check it out. I'm so excited. So that's beautiful. Next up, you guys. Okay, I got a, what is this? This is some sort of lipstick here. It's a lippy. Again, I don't wear lippies as much. Let me see what color this one is. Like I said, over the summer, I got like blue and green. I was like, are you kidding me? Oh, I got a really pretty color, you guys. What color is this? I'm not sure what shade this is. Why can't I see the shade on here? I don't know what shade this is, but look, it's gorgeous. It's like a Valentine's Day shade. Look at that. That's really pretty. Check it out. That is actually really gorgeous. Look at that. That's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, so happy with this one. I think we're at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of 5. I also got the gloss. This is a fairly recent product. I got Candy Drip from Jeffree Star. I know he came out with a lot of the glosses. I think it was over the summer. Oh, it's pink. Check it out. This is really pretty packaging, though. Look at this. I like the design of the packaging. I think it's really cool. It's so artistic. I love any packaging that's got like a really neat design in it. That smells really good, too. So that kind of goes... Oh, that's really pretty, you guys. Look at that. That's over my lipstick. This feels really good, too. Totally impressed with this one. Liking the packaging. So we got a nice little palette going on there. Then we got some reusable drinking straws with a cute little turtle on there. They're in the green. Nice little touch adding this to there. So the final thing that I got, I'm so excited because I really wanted a Jeffree Star mirror. I've heard so many good things about the mirrors, so I'm like, bring on the mirror, you guys. Everything's got like a Jeffree Star sticker on it. Oh my gosh, I didn't want to break the box. The box is so pretty. Why can't I get that? You know, this is like really well packaged. Can I say that? It's well packaged, you guys. Okay. Okay, I got it open. Oh, I got a white mirror. I was hoping I didn't get the Halloween mirror. This is a nice mirror. Check it out. It comes in a really nice box so it doesn't break. Check it out. Awesome white Jeffree Star mirror. This is a really good quality mirror too. You can tell a good quality mirror because, oh wow, that is a really, it's like you almost look crystal clear in this thing. Okay, so yay for my new mirror. I'm so excited about that. So, how many products do we get? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 products. So that comes to, what, like 12, 13 bucks a product. I think this is a great deal. Night and day difference from my summer box versus this box. I absolutely would get another Jeffree Star mystery box. I like the mystery boxes because I feel like I can get like some different products as opposed to just ordering one palette. Like I said, if he does a purple palette though, I am all over that. I'm definitely ordering the purple palette. But I'm excited to try out the eyeshadow and the highlighter. Very cool there. So if you got one of these, let me know. If you would never buy one, let me know. I mean, I'm really curious to hear what people think about these Jeffree Star mystery boxes. Are they worth the hype? Like I said, I am super happy with it. I feel like I got my money's worth. And if he does another one, I will probably buy one of the higher end boxes, like the 100 or the 145. Although this time I heard the Blue Blood came in the $145 box, and I'm like, thank God I didn't get the Blue Blood. Although I like the packaging. I don't know. There's something about the packaging that would be collectible for me as an eyeshadow. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll be back in a few minutes with my marshmallow cloud candle. Bye-bye.